Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to change the language for hero voiceovers in Epic 7. So first things first, open up the game on your device and from the home screen, tap on the menu button at the top right corner. Now in the expanded menu, click on the gear button. After you're inside the settings menu, go ahead and tap on the audio tab at the top left. Now you will see all of the audio options. There, make sure that you have turned on the voiceover option first. And once you've done that, go ahead and tap on the language setting option on the left inside menu. Now from the language setting, tap on the toggle button right next to Hero Audio Language. Now choose the audio language option provided in the pop-up. After making a selection, click on Confirm, and this will be able to help you download the media pack, which will also restart the game. After tapping on Confirm, the chosen language will be available, and that way your hero voiceover change will take instantly. If you're a fan of different languages or just want to explore how your favorite characters sound in other tongues, this is a great way to do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Epic 7 tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.